how to make easy money with ATMs. That's what we're going to talk about in this video. Hey there, my name is Carey Buck. I've been an independent ATM business owner since 2009, and I've been an ATM business mentor since 2011. That's where I teach people just like you how to start and grow your own profitable ATM business that'll provide you with consistent monthly passive income and big chunks of cash in small time frames. Why would you want consistent monthly passive income and big chunks of cash in small time frames? Well, it's going to be different for each person. Some people want to quit their 9-to-5 jobs. Some people want to supplement their retirement. For some people, this is their retirement. Some people are tired of putting out a ton of capital to make a decent return, and instead want to put out a smaller amount of capital to make a decent return. Some folks are finally ready to start putting their money to work for them. And there are some folks that I've been finding more and more of you that are wanting to build generational wealth. You guys are looking to build something that you can pass down to your children, right? So, and you can fall into multiple categories, by the way, right? It's going to be individual for each person. Could be something I didn't even mention, right? But it's different for each person. And if you would like me to help you start and grow your own profitable ATM business, then I welcome you to go to atmtrainingvideo.com, or better yet, just click the link in the description. Don't forget, please give me some likes for this video. Also, click that little ATM right there in the corner and subscribe to this channel. Hit that bell notification, select all, so every time I post a video, you're first to know. All right. So somebody, when you try to get into my free Facebook group, you have to answer some questions first, right? And that's how we decide if we're going to accept you or not accept you into the group. And then somebody posted, hey, I want to know how to make easy money, right? So I was like, you know what? Let me make a video on how to make easy money in the ATM business, all right? How to make easy money with ATMs. Easy, easy, easy. Think of that easy button in that Staples commercial, right? You know, that big red easy button. Pew. So the way you make easy money with ATMs is, come on, guys. There ain't no easy money, man. It ain't easy. It's not easy, okay? When you start the ATM business, it takes work, takes discipline, motivation, perseverance, okay? It takes you sometimes getting out of your own mind. It takes you being able to hear no 20 times and keep going. It takes you being able to have go to like 10 banks and them tell you we don't open accounts for ATM businesses, and for you to keep going until you get that bank account open. It's not easy, guys. If it was easy, guess what? You already know what I'm going to say. Everybody would be doing it. Things that are going to really make a difference. I mean, really move that needle in your life financially. And it's more than financial, by the way, guys, right? Because here's the thing. The ATM business can improve your life in so many different ways besides financially. But it all starts with the financial aspect. You know what I'm saying? Right? Because I couldn't be financially free. I couldn't be sitting here doing whatever I want, whenever I want, if I didn't have that financial aspect covered with ATMs. Right? Does that make sense? Like, I couldn't be able to sleep in and not have to wake up to an alarm, every day if I didn't have that financial aspect covered with ATMs. Okay? So there's a lot of freedom, a lot of things I can do in life, but it all comes from that financial aspect from ATMs. But it was not easy, okay? It was not easy. It took me 3 years. 3 years to set it up in a way where, okay, when I got fired, I didn't have to have another job again. Okay? 3 years. Are you willing to put in 3 years to never have to work again at a job for somebody else? It's not much to ask, you know what I'm saying? 3 years, that's nothing. But it's not easy, guys. I don't want you to think any of this is easy. When you go out on your own to start a business, even if it's part-time because you're working a full-time job, by the way, that's the way I recommend you start an ATM business, or any business for that matter if you can. Even if you're doing it part-time, it's not easy, right? I mean, you got to juggle family, you got to juggle your work, you got to juggle sleeping and being healthy, and then learning the business, and then going out there and failing, and going out there and failing again, and then maybe getting coaching Click the link in the description. And then even if you do get coaching, right? Even if I tell you exactly what to do, exactly what to say, guess what? You're still probably going to screw up. We're human, guys. We're human. We mess up. Even though we're told exactly what to do, we still screw up. We get nervous, right? It's just who we are. And then as we get more comfortable, we keep doing it, then it gets easier, okay? Easy money in the ATM business comes from putting in that hard work in the beginning. You put in that hard work in the beginning, then it becomes easy. Like I literally sit here and make videos for you guys, and I know I'm making money. I sleep, and I know I'm making money. I'm out at our pool, clearly not in December, but I'm out in our pool, and I know we're making money. I'm playing pickleball, and I know I'm making money. By the way, that's why up here is white, and the rest of me is tan, because I wear a headband when I play pickleball, because I sweat like a pig. But anyways, no matter what I'm doing, I know I'm making money, because I have the ATM business set up. And that financial aspect of it is coming in now, right? Why? Because I put in the hard work. I put in that hard work in 2009, 2010, 2011, right? 2012. Right? We put it in. And now it's easy, okay? Now, if I want a location, I know I can just go out and get one. I don't have any issues with it. I don't feel weird about it. You know what I mean? It's 11 years now. I'm making this December 1st, 2020. Been in this business 11 and a half years now, right? Easy peasy. I don't have any qualms about going out and get a location now, okay? But I put in all the hard work. Now it's easy. Now it's easy, okay? Yeah, it's been easy for multiple years now for me, but when you start, it ain't easy, okay? So please, get that garbage out of your head. How do I make easy money? Come on. Anything that's worth it long term ain't gonna be easy. You can get to the point where it's easy, but make sure you're willing to put in that hard ass work first. Okay? Put in that work first, and then it gets easier. Hard first, easy second. All right? Hopefully that makes sense. Any questions? Post it below. Any ideas for future videos? Post it below. Don't forget to like this video. Give me some thumbs ups. Don't forget to click that little ATM right there in the corner. Subscribe to this channel. Hit that bell notification. Select all, so every time I post a video, you are first to know about it. And of course, last but not least, if you'd like me to help you start your own profitable ATM business, then go to atmtrainingvideo.com or just click the link in the description. All right, Carey Buck here signing off. I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day, and may you live happily off of passive income.